Well, there are those who say that this is probably a smokescreen or distraction to cast the net so wide that it would be difficult now to really focus on the guilty, on those who need to be held accountable. And on the other end, no, parang calling for a mass resignation, parang marami nagsasabi, gano'n na lang ba yun? Magre-resign na lang ba? Wala ba ditong makakasuhan o makukulong? Your thoughts on what's happening now and the way the flood control probe is being conducted as you watch?
Yes, I agree. This could be a distraction, whether intended or not, from the need for those who are responsible to render accounting to our people.
Pero nga nagpo-propose ng death penalty. Of course, that's the one extreme end. But currently, if plunder is one of the heaviest that you can get charged for because you can get imprisoned for life. Ano po yung, parang meron po ba kayong naiisip pa na maaaring maidagdag pa rito? I mean, is it just a matter of enforcement now, given that there is something in the law that already punishes or gives a punishment of life imprisonment for corruption?
What we have to look into is the presumption of ill-gotten wealth that is in the law, but we are not using it in other countries, such as England, where it is proven that an official's assets exceed his lawful income. The excess is considered immediately ill-gotten, and that amount can be frozen. You don't have to prove that this particular property was ill-gotten. You can take any of his property up to the amount of the excess and freeze it and confiscate it. That's in our law, but we're not using it.
Which one po? Yung?
The Anti-Graft Law, Republic Act 1359.
Oo. Ano po yung threshold?
Meron pong provision dyan that if it is proven that the assets of an official exceeds his lawful income, the excess is presumed ill-gotten.
It's already in the law.
It's already in the law.
Oh, okay. But yun nga po, no, it's a matter of being able to apply the law. Another thing that has not been observed is yung Article 11, Section 1 that states public office is public trust and public officers must at all times lead modest lives. But how do you begin to enforce that in the first place?
Well, first place, you require the filing of SAL-N and disclosure of SAL-N as required by the Constitution. And then we have the wrong notion that we should all send them to jail. What we should do first is to forfeit their properties that are ill-gotten. Hit them where it hurts, no? Confiscate the excess property, forfeit it in favor of the government. While it's still there, we should not investigate. The law already allows confiscation of what is in excess. And then go for forfeiture. We have a law for forfeiture. Don't go for imprisonment. Go for forfeiture.